Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. If you've recently bought a graphics card or want to check if it's working properly, FurMark 2 is one of the best tools for stress testing your GPU. In this video, I'll show you how to use FurMark 2 to test your graphics card. Let's get started. Open FurMark 2. If you have more than one graphics card, select the GPU you want to test. Leave the graphics test set to FurMark. Choose your preferred resolution. The default resolution is fine for most users. Enable Display OSI. This shows your GPU information while the test is running. You can also enable full screen if you want the test to run in full screen. Click Run. The stress test will now begin. Watch your GPU temperature. Also monitor your GPU usage. It should stay close to 100% during the test. Let the test run for about 10 to 15 minutes. If your computer doesn't crash, freeze, restart, or show graphical artifacts, your graphics card is likely stable. If you notice very high temperatures, screen flickering, colored dots, or other visual glitches, stop the test immediately. Press the Escape key, or close the FurMark window. For most graphics cards, a temperature below 85 degrees Celsius is generally considered safe. After the test, your GPU temperature should return to normal within a few minutes. That's it. You now know how to use FurMark 2 to test your graphics card. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Guidify for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.